Cool, so thanks guys for inviting us here. We're team Coco Dojo. This is Sean, Clyde, Sky, Lydian, and I'm Dan. We're actually a Carnegie Mellon Hackathon team, and we created, similar to the previous contestant, a collaborative IDE and whiteboard. So as you can see right now, we have one of the screens projected, and both of these guys could be across the globe or anywhere. And they can actually pair program together with them and several more. So we have a fully functional chat box. And you actually saw the screen go from blank to, they added in some JavaScript source files. So they're actually working on this, and looks like Sean is typing right now. And as Sean is typing, it's appearing automatically on Clyde's screen. The editor actually, you can do different themes on it. So we have the Sublime GitHub theme. Actually, I can see a yellow thing over there on the corner. That's actually a comment. So another form of communication where you don't have to use slashes or hashtags or anything. Then also, the other thing about being remote is that you need a whiteboard sometimes. So if you need to talk about something abstract, so we designed this from scratch using X and Y coordinates, but we designed it for programming. There is a tree and an array data structure, and you can use lines and all the stuff you would need for UML. So you can actually, again, as Sean places the array and Clyde places the tree, they show up asynchronously. So again, this is one of the best things about our team was that each person brought something a little bit different and specialized to the table. So since we're all developers here, I wanted to show you guys some of the technical stuff as well.
So as you know, this is a 8-hour hackathon project. So, and before we enter the hackathon, none of us has used Meteor before. So we just want to show you that how Meteor makes this so easy for us to do it. So the server side, we just create a code session collection. So each session has actually a ID there. You'll see it later. And for client side, it's also create a collection. I guess you have heard it in the one-on-one session. So as you can see, we have two parts that synchronize. The first one is the chatting parts that we do on the right side of the screen before, and the other part is the code editor. So the conversation part is for the chatting part. So as you can see, we defined a template.conversation.o that we can use later in the template, and we just pass in the ID, get the session, and pass the string and return it so that we can use it in the template. And once anyone has added a new conversation there, we just update it using the MongoDB query. So for code editor, it's almost the same, but here because we directly mess with the JavaScript object, so we attach a Mongo query. We construct a Mongo query and observe the changes in the database. And the last are almost the same. Thank you. So, any questions?
Yeah, did you start with an editor? What is the editor?
Oh, it's the same as they use Ace editor.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. So you're capturing the deltas between them and sending them over the wire, basically? So does the editor you're using have an API just to get the...
So for S editor, they actually provide the delta. So you can extract the delta there directly. And you can attach an event on change event, so you can directly use the delta there.
And then when you pass it back to another screen, how exactly does it know where to put the delta in? Like,
they actually have all that information in the delta there. Yeah.
So it's completely abstract and you don't really need it too much?
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Yep. How long again did this take to build?
8 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours.
Thank you.
You were there. You were there.
Awesome.
Good job, guys.